Tired of cheap plastic stove vents that crack in the sun, rattle on the highway, and let rain leak right into your RV? This is the Safoner aluminum vent cover, built tough, made for travel. It comes in black or white, and everything you need to install it is right in the box. The body's made of rust-resistant aluminum. No more brittle plastic cracking apart on you. You can easily set the depth by inserting the inner frame, which adjusts from 1.2 to 2.2 inches to fit your vent opening. Start by measuring the depth of your vent opening. Slide in the inner frame to match that depth. Super simple. Then use the included aluminum foil tape to seal the frame to your duct. Next, wrap the provided butyl tape around the edges for a tight, weatherproof seal. Once both tapes are in place, the vent is sealed and ready to mount. Screw the vent into place, firm and flush. The screws are already painted to match, so they blend right in. Then seal up the edges and screw heads with exterior-grade sealant for full waterproofing. Flip the clip down when you're cooking. The lightweight flapper opens with airflow, no problem. And once you're done, it closes itself by gravity. Heading out, just lock the clip in place. No rattling, no flapping, peace and quiet. If your plastic vent is cracking, leaking, or just plain annoying, it's time to upgrade. This is one of those RV fixes you only do once. Links in the description. Use the code at checkout to save.